Take off the condenser and get the condenser clean. By using some water, you can make it clean enough. Just take every part of the rotary evaporator out of the box. This is the vacuum gauge. Install the motor. Connect the boiling flask with the glass tube, which is inside of the motor. Now it's the condenser, using the flange and gasket. Now connect the condenser with the motor. Please pay attention to put some vacuum grease in every joint of the rotary evaporator, such as the joint between condenser and the motor and the flasks with the glass tube. Also the joint condenser connected with the receiving flask. Put some vacuum grease. Please pay attention to make the clean of the joint. We take off all the foam particles out of the condenser. If the foam particle will impact the vacuum degree of the whole system. Pay attention to this feeding valve. If the plastic tube is too hot to connect with the glass part, then make it warm and it will become easier to connect with the feeding valve. The last part is